Hello everyone, welcome to Goma at Home, and we are here right now in Ormoc City. What I'm going to show you today is a very simple dish, no? Like chicken. What do you do with leftover chicken? Today, we'll make a chicken salad sandwich spread. I remember when I was a young boy, whenever we have leftover chicken, my lola would always prepare it into a chicken salad sandwich spread. So, let me begin with washing my hand with some soap, syempre, para malinis. Okay. Get your chicken. Make sure your knife is sharp. It's always nice to have a sharp knife. Paano kasi maraming accident sa kitchen, pag gumagamit sila ng knife, hindi sharp, then tendency is, pag-porcine mo, then you hurt yourself. I-shred natin yung chicken. First, take out the chicken meat. Yan. Walay natin. It's the breast. And then another breast. So what I'm doing now is that sineseparate ko lang lahat, all parts of the chicken, para later on it will be easier for me to chop the meat. So right after cleaning out the meat, we will add our simple ingredients of mayonnaise, pickled relish. We'll put some, we can use apple cider vinegar or lemon juice just for tang. And then for a little spice, we'll put some hot sauce, salt and pepper. And we need to wash our hands again. So now we'll chop our chicken meat into small pieces. Some people would like it finer, some people would like it chunky. I like it a bit chunky. And lots of mayonnaise. So one whole chicken will produce you at least a jar of chicken salad sandwich spread. You can keep it in the refrigerator. Pag meron kayong mga bisita, biglang dumating, at least you have something to serve. Put it over pandesal, or sometimes tasty, or sometimes crackers. You have to be very careful sa mga daliri ninyo. Dapat hindi loose yung daliri. Dapat naka-club siya na ganun, and then let the fingertips guide that knife nandito lang sa gilid. Usually, with this kind of knife, you just roll the knife sa board. Yan, ganyan lang. Nigro-roll lang siya. All you have to do is just mix it. Puro mix na lang ito ng mix. You feel na medyo malaki pa siya, pwede pa siyang paliitin, i-dice mo lang siya. Should be good. Next, we'll put it in a bowl. We'll add in some celery. Masarap ng celery stalk kasi it gives you some crunch, no, sa food. Itong leaves, hindi natin kailangan. We'll just throw it. Check kung malinis ba yung mga stalk. If it's too big, we'll cut them in half. There you go. You know, I like preparing food like this kasi when I was young, sa refrigerator namin, lagi merong ganito na iniiwan ng lola ko. Kasi even when I was a small boy, mahilig ako magdala ng mga friends sa bahay, yung mga barkada. Siyempre, pag mga bata kayo, wala kang ginawa, kain lang kayo ng kain, di ba? Celery, make it fine. This is very good. Pag kinagat mo, may crunch, may extra crunch. And then sarap ng flavor ng celery. Really good. Refreshing. Depends on how much you want to put in sa spread mo. I like to put a lot. Sarap kasi pag maraming crunch. Pag ano mo, that's good. And then after this, we'll blend it in sa chicken. Right there. Now that we've chopped our chicken and celery, ang lalagyan natin yung base natin ng mayonnaise. So the number of mayonnaise, it depends on your taste. I like to put a lot of mayonnaise in my chicken salad sandwich spread. You know, when I was young, favorite ko yung mayonnaise and pandesal. There goes our mayonnaise. Next is, we'll put some pickled relish. Sarap to, medyo may konting asim. Depends on how much you want. I like a lot. Para may tang. May patang-tang ka pa dyan. Some hot sauce. Just a little. And then, some salt and pepper. It's always nice to grind pepper. Pag fresh kasi, andun lahat yung aroma, andun yung strength, andun yung flavor niya. There you go. Simple lang. Masarap pag maraming pepper. There you go. And some salt. And then later on, you have to keep on tasting your food. Para doon ka mag-a-adjust kung kailangan pa ng salt, kung kailangan pa ng konting mayo. Just fold it in. Ayan, no? Fold it in. Just keep on folding it. Wow. There you go. It's nice to see the celery. The color of celery looks fresh and green. And then once it's all folded in, it'd be best to try it out. It's good. Okay. The next is, hanap ka ng tinapay na gusto mo. Some people would like tasty, some people would like pandesal. Pero masarap yung pandesal pag mainit, kaya hot pandesal. So what we'll do, we'll toast this sa frying pan natin. We'll toast a couple. So there you go, let's open it. We'll make three sandwiches. There you go. Okay. We will toast our bread, our pandesal. Let's put some oil. Just a little lang. There you go. Wow, it's hot. Oh, there you go. Okay. There you go. Some color. Wow, nice. Go. You can add more. Three sets. Coming up. Okay. And now we assemble our chicken salad sandwich bread. With the lettuce, yung iceberg, just press the bottom just to take out the hard pit, and then take out the outer leaves. Sometimes it's soggy, sometimes it's not as crispy. I used to do this when I used to work in a fast food restaurant when I was young. Just grab it, and then so now we assemble the chicken. We'll use spoon. Scoop it out. Masarap pag marami. Sarap. Once it's all there, we put the lettuce on top, and then we plate it. Alright, so here's your chicken salad sandwich, and it's done. So simple. What I want you to do, pag may free time kayo sa bahay, try it out. Kung may sobra kayong chicken, try to do this and then tag me. Give me a comment, or you can follow me sa Instagram and comment there. So now, subukan naman natin. Wow. Huh? How nice. Let's try it out. Sarap. So thank you for joining me in Goma at Home. I'll see you next episode. Try this out. Yung sobra, you can keep it in the fridge. Seal it. There you go. Bye guys.